Alright, so welcome to another vlog. Today we have a pull day. So we start with some pull-ups, weighted pull-ups, and just continue to another exercise. So yeah, let's get started. So just quick warm-up. We usually start from the head and do almost entire body, even if we do just only pull-up or only push day. It's just what we are used to doing. So now we start with hang. Last time we did 1 minute 30, so we try just a little bit improve. So yeah, nothing difficult, just hanging for 1.5 minutes. So we hit 135, which is some improvement. Okay, so usually I do weighted pull-ups now, but with 5 kilos, around, I don't know, 8 reps. But today I wanted to try something different, so we wanted to try our max, how many kilos we can pull up. So we start with 0, just some warm-up set, then we 5, then we go 5, 10, 15, 20 and see where we end. So that's our goal for today. I'd like to hit at least, I think, 25, because I did this challenge like 1 year ago and we hit 25, so I want to be sure I'm at least at the same position I was 1 year ago, because I had some break and stuff like that. So hopefully we will be at 25 kilos. Alright, now 20 kilos. Let's see if we can do it. Good. So now we go 25 kilos. That's the exact weight we hit last time, probably a year ago. But how I said, at that time we trained pretty hard, or like not bad. So yeah, let's see if we can do this. Good. I believe that count. So we try 27.5. The weight we last time failed. Alright, so 27.5. Let's see if we can do it. I think we hit, but I checked the footage if we had the neck over the bar. I think it was good. What do you think? So after review, I think that counts. I had the neck or the head over the bar. I think also how I felt, so it was okay in my opinion. So yeah, so we tried 30 kilos just to be sure we cannot lift more, and yeah, that we will probably fail, but let's try. Okay, so our max is 27.5, which is good. Some improvement, and if we continue, I think in the next month we can hit 30 kilos easily, or easily, like somehow So yeah, now let's continue with our normal workout, and we stopped like this ego lifting. So yeah, okay, so now we finish with our weighted pull-ups. We do just with 5 kilos and 2 sets and as many repetitions as we can. Alright, 6 reps, not bad. Can you see me? So now we basically go rows, dumbbell rows, I think it's called. We lay it on the bench. And trying to squeeze our back. Okay, 10 reps. I'm not sure if I do it correctly. If you know, let me know in the comment. I just see this exercise and trying it. I feel back a little bit, so I think it worked. But maybe we should try a little bit this angle. We'll try and see. So we tried a different angle. Okay, so the middle back, I don't know how to call it. I feel in this position a little bit more, so I guess this one we will use more often. We did 2 sets. I feel like we do 1 more, even if we do like usually 2 sets to failure. I feel like we didn't hit failure, so I just do 1 more. And honestly, this workout this time I have some plan, but I also wanted to do weighted pull-ups challenge, and so we just train here today like every time, but you understand, hopefully. Okay, third set. We go for shrugs. Again, I don't have many experience with this exercise, but let's do it. Yeah, we definitely feel the shrugs. I think it's called no, how do I say this part? So how I think all the time, that should be Cyan. We do it right. We did it right. Still we go 2 sets to failure or close to failure. We did 12 reps, and now we go second set and see how many reps we can do it. Now we will go for bicep curls, and like the second exercise, hammer curls. That will be totally 5 exercises for today. We still trying to find one more exercise for back, but I'm not sure which one, because I don't wanna do another like type of pull-ups like chin-ups or something like that, or commando pull-ups, or I'd like something with the dumbbells, but also with a lot of exercise I'm not used to or don't know proper technique how to do it, so still looking for some exercise, and yeah, hopefully we'll soon find But before I still continue with this 5 exercise and trying to improve them. So now we go dumbbell, barbell, dumbbell curls. So last time, here's our list. Last time we did 8 and 6 reps. So yeah. $17.5 kilos. Let's go for 8 reps at least. No. 9 reps. Let's go second set. So let's go hammer curls. Basically go to cross. Alright, so now we go for second set. Hammer curls, and we are done for today. So let's see how many we can do it. First set we did 20, like 10 and 10. Some cheating or a lot of cheating, but we are done for today. So if you like the video, subscribe and see you next time.